the next question about the tips and tricks and the general queries for CLAT 2024. The question here is, when should you be taking the risk about choosing an answer while you're not sure about it? With negative marking in place, here is your answer. In a situation among the 4 options, if you are able to eliminate the 2 options while left with the 2 options, this is the exact time you should be taking a risk. But in a situation where you are absolutely confused among the 4 options and you have no clue which should be the right, which should be the wrong, and you are actually not able to decide, the best would be to leave that question and move on to the second. So remember, if you are able to eliminate 2 options, you can take that risk. It's a 50-50% chances. But if you're not able to decide on any of the options, the best is to leave the answer and move on to the next question.